Scorpion? What's this?
Snake.
What kind of snake is that? For eating? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Don't think so. Okay, this is something that I found online at getyourguide.com regarding the Chao Phraya hop on, hop off boat excursion. So, as you can see, you pay 150 baht per person, and that allows you access for one full day to get on and get off at your own leisure to all these different stops. And there's about 12 different stops to include, the Grand Palace, Wat Arun, which is one of the largest temples in Bangkok. You got the Chinatown. You have Asiatique, ICONSIAM, which is a must-see in Bangkok, and also includes Khao San Road. So if you don't want to do this online, you can wait till you get there. There's plenty of tickets, and once you do, you just pay 150 baht. They give you a schedule and a map of when the boat reaches the each pier, and it's a good way to see the city because the Chao Phraya kind of snakes through the city, and there's a lot of different locations that you can see from this excursion. Okay, so a must do in my opinion. Check it out. All right, we are beginning our hop on, hop off experience, and here in Bangkok. Here is a view of the boat. Let's go, let's go. They have a schedule to keep to. Here we are. We arrived at ICONSIAM. This is the newest big mall. ICONSIAM.
Let's shopping. I know. I'm like, hey, that's easy one now.
Got a Siamese fighting fish. Kind of cool. smell that durian. You smell it, yeah. Ooh, you smell that stuff. I guess it's durian season, huh? Yeah. It tastes, in my opinion, like a ripe durian. Tastes like custard with sauteed onions. That's the best way for me to explain it. It's actually not bad tasting. I'm just saying, it's actually, but the smell, if you can get past the smell, I would suggest, trying it. Some more food. Oh, careful, go on this side. Some people live in Thailand, right there, huh? In Bangkok, right on the river. This yellow boat that cleans the river, keeps the river clean. That's my guess, anyway. Alright, now I'm inside the temple. We have people praying. We got the Buddha.
ผู้โดยสารที่ต้องการไปตลาดวังหลังสิริราชได้ที่ท่าเรือสำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือกรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท่าเรือ
Yeah, it looks cool, huh?
พรานนก M10สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือพระอาทิตย์พระอาทิตย์ For passengers arriving here, please stand by at the exit.
Alright, so we made it here to Khao San Road. And you can see all the food that they got here, including some alligator. Eat an alligator. Some alligator meat. Make shoes. Belt. Scorpion? What's this?
Snake.
What kind of snake is that? For eating? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Don't think so. No. Thank you though. Got some noodles that look pretty good. Some meat on a stick. It looks pretty good. Yeah. Got some clothes. Got some fruit. Keep the flies away.